Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. I have another box from the company Boss and Bay. I got the first box from them last month and I showed you guys what was in it and it was amazing. And what it is a subscription box that is geared more towards us melanin sisters, but at the same time it could be for anybody. I had some other people or my friends that were not African American that was like, girl, I'm gonna get me one of them boxes. So it is melanin friendly. It's mainly geared for, you know, my melanin sisters, but anybody can purchase one of these boxes. The last box I got was simply amazing. So here I am to show you guys what is in this box for this month. And also, before I pull the box out, because I just peeled it open, I like that they are, if you looked at the last video, I love how their packaging is always like black and white. So I just think that is super cute. And so it's the same as, it was a different package, but it's still black and white. And they have the white box with the black crown on it. And I just think that is super cute. Okay, so let's get this open. I am super excited and it looks like this. It has the black paper on it, and let's see what I got for October. Oh my goodness. So the first thing that I see is a Real Techniques Eyes Brow Kit. And it has the cute little package in there, like the zipper bag, and then it has all of the stuff in here that goes in here. So you have angled tweezers, detailing tweezers, slanted brow spoolie, slanted arch definer, slanted brow brush, and it comes with the case for everything to go in there. So that is really, really nice. And also, if you are interested in getting one of these subscription boxes, all of the information for the box will be down in the description box. So make sure you check that out. Oh, how perfect. It goes hand in hand. So then there's a book on raising eyebrows, and I guess that's perfect for me because you guys know I always talk about it. I'm not really one to mess with my eyebrows. If anything, I'll probably fill them in just a little bit, and I do cut a little bit, but I've never been able to really, it's crazy because I can get one eyebrow perfect, but then the other one is like, it's just like, sister, just stop, just go on and stop. So I'm not too big on my eyebrows, but with that kit and this book, I might mess around. But this is really cool. It says Your Personal Guide to Fabulous Brows by Cameron Tuttle, and it looks like this. And let's see. Oh, highbrow fashion. Oh, it talks about eyebrows from way back and everything. So this will be another item that you would get in your box. And underneath all of that was their little card that they send you, and this one is called the October. This is October, but this is called the Regina box. That is so cute, and it tells you what is in here, which I didn't want to look at yet. It tells you what's in here and the cost of the items. So far the brow set was $20. Let me see the book. The Raising the Eyebrows book was retailed at $16.95. And so yeah, so I'm not going to cheat and keep looking at that. I just want to pull out what is in here. Okay, so it's like so much. So then, oh, you know, I like Dose of Colors. So here is a baked highlighter like this by Dose of Colors. Join the color revolution, and let's see what it looks like. Oh, that is so pretty. It's a baked, did it say baked highlighter? Yes, a baked highlighter in the color Sunkissed. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really, really pretty. And I usually don't pick up too many baked products, but this highlighter, I'm definitely going to use that because that is really pretty. I will look and see what that retails for. I can't close the box. Oh, there it goes. So that retails for $28. $28 for that. Loving that. Oh, look at this. So this kit is definitely all about eyebrows. So that is another reason why I like subscription boxes, because you're not going to get things that you probably would normally just go out and buy. And Lord knows I probably need some stuff to work on my eyebrows. So here is a LA Girl eyebrow kit. It looks like that. Oh, how cute. It has the spoolie, it has the wax powder, two different color powders, a highlight, a wax, and a tweezers. I don't want that to fall out, but that is what it looks like on the inside. It has a little tiny tweezers, so this will be perfect to carry in my purse. Next, I see some mineral bath and foot soak in lemongrass and mint, and it gives you the directions on how to use it, and it comes in a little bag like this. And as you can see, that is the foot powder back there. I have never used a mineral bath foot soak, so that's definitely going to be interesting for me to use. Let's see, it says it has dead sea salt, European sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. Like, it's all kind of awesome ingredients in there with essential oils. Then I see, oh, this is so cute. These are those, I've seen these on Instagram, and it's a handmade pen, and that is what it looks like. Let me take that out, because this girl that makes these is actually on Instagram, and I've seen her items, and I thought they were so cute. And this is like, I think this is, I want to say, oh, I hope I'm not wrong, I want to say that's like the Beyonce pen, and it's just a little pen that you can put on your clothes. This is going to be so cute on my jean jacket. And I don't want to say her name wrong, but she created these handmade. I'll put whatever information she has on here down below. If you are interested in purchasing one of her pens, it'll be linked down in the description box. But that is just super cute. I really like that. I like that they actually throw in stuff in here that is by small you know, entrepreneurs that are trying to put their stuff out there. That's kind of what this box is about, and I really like that. I like the concept, and I think that's really cool. Okay, so here is another item. Let's get this open and see what this is. Okay, so I got it open, and it's a really cute little kind of like satchel type thing, but it has a place right here for something, and I'm not too sure yet, because there is something else in here. So before I get into it, but I will say that this is very pretty, very pretty. I love this little thing. This is so cute. So before I get into that, let me see what is in this before I tell you what that is, or let me just look and see. Okay, so that was a Beychella pen. That was Beyonce, and those retail for $5. That's not bad. What is this thing right here? Oh, it's a kimono brush bag. Okay, that is so cute. So you can put your little brushes in here. If you're traveling and you want to put some brushes in here to take with you, they can go in here in these slots right here. It has the thing to cover them. That way they don't get messed up or whatever. And then it closes, and it has a magnetic closure like that. Super cute. Really pretty. I will definitely be keeping this in my purse. That is really cute. Okay, so then the last thing I see in here, and it is bubble wrapped, and I have a feeling that it is some kind of eyeshadow palette, and it's by Cargo, and I do like Cargo. I actually currently have only one Cargo palette, and so this is very exciting to me. This is the Shanghai Nights palette. It says it right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so Shanghai Nights eye palette. Let me get this open. This is what the front looks like. That is super cute. Looks like Shanghai Nights. Oh, I like these colors. Okay, those are pretty, and it does come with a brush. I'm going to take that out because I don't want it to fall. But here are the colors that are in here. I am loving the blues and the purples. Those are really pretty. This is definitely a palette that I will bust out if I'm going out at night. It's probably why it's called Shanghai Night. But I love this. That blue is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And I just got that blue sparkle eyeshadow from Stila when I did my Ulta haul. So that is going to go really, really pretty on top of this blue. Really, really nice. I am super, super excited by this. That is so pretty. Now, let me see. The eyeshadow palette retails for $39. So, that is amazing. I am super, super grateful for Boss and Bay for sending me this box to share with you guys again. Make sure you check down in the description box for all the information about their company, as far as the links for you to go over there. If you missed last month's video, it will be linked at the end of this video. Make sure you check that out to see what products you may get if you were to sign up for their subscription box, because it is awesome. And just giving them the support, like I spoke on before, is what small companies need to grow to become bigger companies that we all love, like Too Faced and all of those other ones. But like I said, this is melanin friendly, so this is definitely something that we want to support. So make sure you check out all the information down below. I thank you guys all for watching. Thank you to Boss and Bay for sending me this box. I am loving my Regina box for October. And I thank all of you guys for watching. Blessings to you all, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.